If you are new to the Yago Life app and you want to know exactly how it works before you sign up, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, including how to create your account, how to set up your profile. We are going to explore the app. I'm going to show you how to join voice room and also show you where to find some important information such as how to become a host and wallet features. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm demonstrating how the app works and explaining its features, so I'm not guaranteeing earnings, rewards, or any specific reward. And the reason is because your experience may depend on your location and the platform's current policies. So this is my already downloaded app, and as a new user, you have the option to sign up with your Google account or your phone number. And after that, make sure you choose your gender correctly, whether you're a male or female. So this is how the app looks like. This is the interface. So the next thing you want to do is go to your me section or your profile. So right here, you can complete your profile information. And this is important because a complete profile will make it easy for other users to recognize you and to also interact with you. Now, after doing that, you have the option to join an agency. So if you receive this message, make sure you confirm and accept. And the reason I'm going to be explaining in the video later on. And make sure you complete your face verification also. So once your face authentication is successful, we are going to receive this message and you will automatically become a host. So on the home page, you'll find different voice rooms which are hosted by different users from various locations. And you can decide to browse through. And if there are anyone that interests you, all you need to do is just to tap on anyone and join. So inside a room, you can listen to conversations, join text chats, or interact with other users. So if you would like to host your own room, you will need to join an agency. So if you receive this message, make sure you confirm and accept it, and you will automatically become a host. So depending on the platform's current policies, some hosts may also have access to reward features. So if you are new to this app, make sure you review the official requirements carefully before using these features. So if you click on salary, you'll be able to see basic salary information. So make sure you go through everything carefully. And when you click on the wallet section, you'll also be able to see your account balance and other important related information about your account. And before using any payment options, always remember to check the official rules, the minimum withdrawal requirements, and also check the supported payment method for your own location. Now, one important thing I want you to keep in mind is that your experience may be different depending on your location, on your device, and your account status, and also depending on the platform's current policies. So because requirements and features can change over time, I'll encourage you that you should always check the latest information about the app. And while using the app, remember to follow the community's guidelines. I hope this video helped you understand how the app works and also how to get started. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to join my Telegram community too. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.